Now then, we believe this is the ultimate Land Rover Defender 110 commercial you can buy in the marketplace today. Possibly the best one we've ever sold. This is a hardtop commercial 110, 24 registered, 24 plate new, VAT qualifying, absolutely incredible. D300 HSE X Dynamic with air suspension, with 3 seats, with deployable Towbar, with urban styling in Santorini black. Wow, what an unbelievable car this is. Lots of people at the moment contacting us to purchase these commercial vehicles. People wanting to spend money this time of year rather than give it to the tax man. Then this is the one you're going to buy. It's the ultimate, it really is. From the look of the exterior to the interior specification. You know, things like air suspension, the jump seat, deployable Towbar are all very, very special options. But when the vehicle looks like this, with the urban styling, it's a ready-made, you know, vehicle that would be desirable in any marketplace in a normal Defender. Arch extensions, urban lettering, full X Dynamic black styling package, 22-inch urban design wheels, light pod on the roof, rear spoiler, urban spare wheel cover, steps, mud flaps. It's absolutely phenomenal, this thing. Just briefly have a look at the inside, because it's an HSE spec. We have lots of lovely features: extended leather, meridian stereo, ambient lighting, darkened crossbeam, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise, heated and cooled seats, ClearSight camera, 11.4-inch touchscreen, obviously 3-seat electric, memory seats, meridian sound, keyless entry. You know, the list goes on and on and on, but it's a 300 horsepower, so that is the big engine. Very, very rare in one of these commercials. It's almost impossible to find another one of these vehicles for sale in the market. Spare wheel cover, urban design. We've got the rear spoiler at the back as well. I'm just opening this vehicle up because we've got more and more and more things to talk about. Obviously, X Dynamic fully blacked out to the rear end. Your air suspension settings in here, and the deployable Towbar. Loads of lockable space in the back. The vehicle is in a brand new condition. It is ready to go today. So if you're looking for one, you've been waiting and waiting for the right one, this is probably the one. Mud flaps, but look at the arch extensions, look at the steps in black, look at the roof rails. And then again, you know, I love this car inside. I think, you know, darkened crossbeam in it makes it all that stealthier on the inside, just matching the unbelievable exterior styling. Around the front, what are options on one of these commercials? We sell a lot of them. Obviously, we've got the matrix lights with the driving lights, the full black styling package with obviously the checkerboarding, all the black styling. We've got fog lights as an option on one of these cars. Look at that urban lettering. That's very, very tasty indeed, isn't it? Then the wheels. Did we focus on them? I'm not sure we did. These are urban design, genuine urban wheels with all-terrain tyres in a brand new condition. This is a 24 plate car. It's done delivery miles. But in the X Dynamic, in a commercial, it is pretty rare. And we've got Nappa leather top dash, Nappa leather mid dash, Nappa leather steering wheel and gear shifter. The steering wheel is heated. We've got adaptive cruise and lane assist. Look at the darkened sections on the steering wheel. Again, that continues. That's what the crossbeam is, the darkened dash. 11.4-inch touchscreen, which is just a really fabulous option in itself. If we look up, we've got the ClearSight camera option and black headlining. Nearly all of these commercial Defenders we get have got the light headlining, and the darkened headlining again, just giving you that little bit extra. ClearSight camera, which I was talking about, which is in the aerial at the back. Air suspension, switchable from beside the gear stick here. Ventilated seats to the front and heated seats to the front. 360 camera system, top view camera, reversing camera. This car's got the towing camera as well because we've got the deployable Towbar, the 3D camera. It's just got everything. It is an incredible vehicle. 2 keys, jump seat obviously coming down into an armrest, which I'll do for you now. Lovely and comfortable. It's incredible. So if you're looking for one, this is the one you may have been looking for. My number's on the screen. My name's Richard. Call me straight away because this car will sell straight away, as you can imagine, because of its specification, its styling, its look, and the fact that, you know, it's just unavailable anywhere else in the UK today in a 300 X Dynamic. Thanks for watching.